Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I have my sister joining with us and we are making slime.
Yes. Hi, my name is Zara. I'm making slime.
This is our first time making slime, so we will see how it turns out. We have some slime ingredients right here on the table. We have activator, water, glitter glue, clear glue, and some mixing bowls, and these popsicle sticks are to mix them. You may be wondering how we're going to mix the slime. It's simple. We have created a house formula. I call it 3-1-5. Can you guess what that means? Take your time and pause the video, but I'll tell you now. 3 ounces of glue, 1 ounce of activator, and 5 ounces of water.
Okay, let's get started.
If you have slime ingredients at home, and you want to join along, you can follow along as we do the video. If you don't have slime ingredients at this moment, then you can maybe plan to make slime.
Done.
Okay, Zara, you ready? Okay, here. Okay, go pour it in. This is Zara's pink slime, and I'm gonna use clear glue. So squeeze.
I'm gonna use eyelid. I'm going to use eyelid.
Okay, go Zara, you can do it. Squeeze.
That's super strong.
Yep, go squeeze.
Alright,
Alright, so this is how much I'm gonna. Alright, I think we're done with that.
And mixy time. Mixy time. Mixy
Yep, wait, it's not mixing time yet. We need to add the activator and water. Alright, first I'm gonna add some color to my slime to make it creative. I'm going to add some blue. I take this and just add a bit, mix it.
I need to do mine. I gotta put this one.
Oh, I think that's a little bit less. So let's add some more.
I gotta do
That should be enough. What do you think? Ooh, this is kind of looking like an ocean. I think this is good enough, a good color. What do you guys think?
I gotta do me too. I gotta open
Right.
mine.
Now it's time to make it slime. Now it's time to So we got 3 ounces. We got 3 ounces of glue right here. So now let's add 1 ounce of activator.
I gotta do this.
Okay, here's activator. Wait, sorry.
Thank you, Abby.
Okay. This is a 1 ounce cup, so we need to fill this cup.
Fill this cup. Yes, get started.
Okay.
Thank you, Abby.
Ta-da!
Then this
All right,
one.
now I'm going to make... Apparently it's not enough, but we have backup activator. So let's add the backup activator. All right, that's done. I'm going to close this. Are you ready to mix her? Oh wait, we forgot something. It's the water. Now we need 5 ounces of water. So let's put Zara's first.
Yeah, me first. I gotta boil my hair.
1 ounce. 2 ounce.
I'm so excited. Ow, so
3 ounce.
You make it.
4 ounce, last one. 5 ounce. All right, I think she will start mixing. Go mix, Zara.
Okay.
And I will get 5 ounce for
I
mine.
think so that's gonna work. I think so. I need that. It's me. I need to smash it.
All right, here's mine. Now let's mix. Ooh, I feel it.
Mine is gonna pick out the yolk.
Let's see if the slime will work.
That's gonna work. That's gonna work. That's gonna work.
Just gotta give it a good mix and it'll work probably.
I need to get this.
Guys, it's working.
Yep. Mine's
Oh. I told you it would work. This
Look at mine.
is my slime and that is Zara's slime. I'm going to name mine Ocean. What are you going to name yours, Zara? Your slime, Zara? When it's sticking together, we are ready to mix it with our hands.
Yeah, mix it all.
Whoa.
That way.
It's getting thicker.
Yeah, it's getting thicker. Wow, it's sticky. Gotta go. It's stick on my. It's. What's Mickey? Look at mine. It's sticky.
All right, I think it's time to use our hands.
Yeah.
Let's do some kneading.
Get this out.
Zara's didn't turn out like mine, so I will let her feel mine. Good try. Is it slime?
It's sticky on my hand.
Can you play with it like this?
Yeah. But it's sticky on my hand. Sticky on my hand. I got it. It's sticky. It's sticky. Silk. Ah, sticky. It's sticky. It's sticky. How does yours sticky? Let's play it.
Let's play with it?
Yeah.
Okay. Careful about your watch.
Oh yeah. Ah, it's sticky.
This was a great experience.
It's sticky on my hand though.
Yeah. Okay, that's It is a very fun experience making slime. So if you have time, make slime.
I love slime.
Slime.
Yes, slime is better. Ah, it's sticky. Hey, Yassi.
Yeah, slime sticks.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that for you. You can put it down. Look, I can make a bubble. Here.
Cool.
It's satisfying you. You can.
Soon enough, it will go together.
Yeah, go on that.
Hope you enjoyed our slime video. This slime cannot be swallowed. So if you have a younger one playing with you or making slime with you, make sure to supervise them very well. The only reason I have my sister making slime with me is because she really wants to make slime, but I am supervising her always. So, we have to clean up our mess. So we will not take a video of us cleaning because that will take a while. So we will see you next time and be safe. Bye-bye.
Bye.